Binigyan ng provisional release ang 17 Pilipino na kinulong sa Qatar dahil sa umano'y unauthorized political demonstration. Ipinag-utos naman ni PBBM ang tulong para sa kanila. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Pierre Pastor.
Pansamantalang pinalaya kaninang madaling araw ang natitirang 17 Pilipinong na-detain sa Qatar.
With gladness, we report today that, of course, based on the President's directive to secure the immediate release of the 17 who are still detained, the Qatari authorities, in two separate batches, the males at around 2:30 a.m. Qatari time, and the females around 4 a.m. Qatari time, were provisionally released pending investigation.
20 ang unang naaresto sa isang resort sa Qatar dahil sa umano'y walang permisong pagtitipon bilang pagsuporta kay FPRRD. Nauna ng pinalaya ang 3 menor de edad. Pero dahil itutuloy pa rin ang investigasyon sa kanila, hindi pa sila maaaring bumiyahe palabas ng Qatar. Ipinag-utos daw ni PBBM na siguraduhing mabibigyan sila ng legal at welfare assistance.
I have been personally communicating with him for the last few days at paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi yung making sure that the welfare, well-being, and the release will be secured.
Kung sakaling makasuhan ang mga Pinoy, maaari silang mapatawan ng 6 na buwan hanggang 3 taong pagkakakulong. May penalty pang babayaran na 10 hanggang 50,000 Qatari Riyal. Kaya muling nagpaalala ang kalihim.
Please observe host country laws. When it comes to mass actions and assemblies, they are regulated in their respective host countries. And in some countries, maaring walang arrest na nangyari. But we know there are other countries that have taken note of mass actions and have been monitoring the movements, the behavior of our Filipino communities.
Magpapadala naman ng medical team ang labor attaché ng Pilipinas para ma-check up ang 17 kababayan. Para sa agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.